network like this is really very powerful. You're on a journey. It's like bringing up children with running a business. You don't really know what you're doing a lot of the time. You just sort of find your way.
I think it's a brilliant opportunity to meet other people with shared experiences in a non-competitive environment, talk about how they address their issues.
And I think there was some real some insight I learned today in terms of helping me think a bit differently about my business and what my priorities should be for taking it forward.
It shows that there's real demand from the owners of small consultancies to network and to learn in a more structured way.
Some of the questions and the responses were quite informative, but also helps you realise that you're not alone in some of the challenges, and therefore the benefits of sharing some of that experience to fast track changes made in the growth will be really good.
The questions that people are asking, just going, actually, it's not just me, there's other people trying to answer the same questions that I'm trying to answer.
We're relatively early in our journey, and we definitely need some senior advice. So we are bringing in people with very different backgrounds who have been in the consulting space to help give us some advice and also challenge us on the way that we think about our business. I haven't. No, I would love you to do that.